Cool, so let's talk about the minor 11s. Oh my goodness, they're just as easy, just about as the regular 11s. So all we're going to do is take the same thing we did for the 11th, okay? So if we're going to make a C11, we would take a B flat major chord, put that in the right hand. But then in our left hand, we're actually going to play, I'm going to show you two ways to do this, but the first way is you just play a C minor in the left hand, okay? So right hand's B flat major, left hand is C minor. You can put them close together, you can spread them out either way, okay? How easy, right? Let's do the rest. So F minor 11, F minor in the left, E flat major in the right, okay? B flat 11, or minor 11 I should say. Sounds a little better, a little higher up. E flat minor 11, okay? A flat minor 11, left hand, right hand. D flat minor 11, left hand, right hand. G flat minor 11, left hand, right hand. Okay, B minor 11, so left hand, right hand. E minor 11, left hand, right hand. A minor 11, left hand, right hand. D minor 11, left hand, right hand, and then G minor 11, left hand, right hand. Okay, really easy. Now, there's another way that we can make this chord actually if you have a big enough hand to stretch this far. And what that will be is you'll actually play it with the bass a little bit lower maybe, or maybe with the 1 and the 5 in the left. Let's do a G minor 11 for example, and you're going to stretch. So your thumb's going to hit the flat at 3, what makes it the minor, the B flat here, and then you'll hit the F major chord at the top. If your hand's not this big to do it, just do it the other way that I showed you. Okay, but if your hand is big enough, I play this chord like this quite a bit. It's really nice, or you can play an octave in the left hand as well. Okay, let's do the rest. So C minor 11, more of an, I guess, open position if you want to call it that. F minor 11, okay, B flat minor 11, E flat minor 11, A flat minor 11, ooh, that's a stretch even for me, D flat minor 11, G flat minor 11, B minor 11, E minor 11, A minor 11, D minor 11, and then we're back to G minor 11. All right, awesome. So this is how you make your minor 11s. God bless.